No.
Oh, okay.
That's the ratchet?
That's because the air compressor's been off.
Every fucking truck here doesn't run.
Hey, the white one does.
Yeah. That one does.
That one's a piece of shit.
There's my NASCAR racing stripe. And the fucking turd.
What? Did you get the shit out of it?
No.
God damn it, Rock! You got that ground on
What?
My bad.